Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I am doing fabulous. Thank you for showing me the love, support all the time. I really appreciate. Now this would be a quick birthday bonus reading for our Libran friends. First of all, wish you a very happy birthday for all those who are celebrating their birthdays. And if you have Libra anywhere in your chart, this is a reading for you. We are going to just do a quick happy birthday to you, like a bonus reading, which I do for all the star signs on my channel. All right. First of all, I'm going to also going to take like an overall general message, okay, from the Power of Love Oracle deck, which says elevation. Elevation means that, you know, right now you are trying to make a conscious effort or a conscious decision to elevate your vibration, to be in that mode which raises your vibration and helps you understand the power of love, helps you understand the power of, you know, all that is good for you, helps you understand what you know, you will be able to make better decisions in life once you are vibrating high, right? So you are consciously taking that effort to be in that elevation phase, my Libran friends. And if you are, please comment and let me know, because this will really help me understand that my video is reaching out to the maximum people, and you know, you resonate with my video. Also, again, this is a general reading, so take what resonates, and what does not resonate, leave it be, okay? Once again, I love the fact that you are getting out of where you are right now, from the space that is not serving you right, and you're moving on to a space that will really help you achieve your visions, your goals, your aspirations that you have in life. So you're looking at the bigger picture, you're being far-sighted rather than being short-sighted. And for that, you very well know that it's your attitude that's going to, you know, help you sail the boat, help you cross that journey, help you make a mark, okay? It's absolutely your attitude, and the attitude is a right attitude. If at all you've been under the influence of you know, toxic relationship, you've been under the influence of chains, like metaphorically, obviously you've been feeling that this is something that is not serving you right. You've been under the influence of you know, internal and external instability that has not served you right. But from that, you're moving on to the Ace of Cups. That means you're moving on to a new beginning. You're moving on to a love and fulfilled relationship, okay? You're moving on out of toxicity to something that is going to serve you right, because obviously the overall vibe here is you are raising your vibration, you're raising your thought process, you're manifesting, you're doing things that serves you well, you're getting out of karmic bondages and cycles which were not serving you right. You're getting out of that stuffiness, you know, you're getting out of that, because you know that you need something better in life. So from that, you are moving on to, you know, oh my god, look at this, the World card. Some of you are literally traveling, but the others are really completing an entire karmic cycle, okay? So that's the reason why I see that there is new love coming for those you know, who are seeking for new love. There is like an emotional fulfillment for you this time, my Libran friends, and you are getting away from mucky waters. You are getting into this karma is unfolding to its true sense for you. This is what I am channeling at this point in time. Let me just pick one more card and see what's the message. Oh, beautiful. Nine of Cups. Wish fulfillment. What else do you want? Let's pack this reading. Let's close it. We do not need to read anymore, right? You are getting into a cycle of major wish fulfillment. So the birthday candles that you've blown on the cake is coming true, okay? Your wish fulfillment is definitely coming through. Look at the bottom of the deck. There's a death. There is a transformation. Old habits ending, new habits taking place. Beautiful. So the left out in cold is not happening anymore. So beautiful tarot messages in terms of whatever situation you are at this point in time, my Libran friends. You are getting a wish fulfillment. Some of you are physically traveling or getting jobs abroad or looking for a great job opportunity or a relationship in overall which is coming from abroad or from, you know, where, not where you are right now. And also for a lot of you, karma is unfolding to its truest self, where you're getting out of old bondages and old habits that has not been serving you right, and it's going away from muckier waters to the waters that is serving you right. Okay, this is beautiful birthday message. It is amazing. Let's see what is the angel's message here for you. The angel's message for my Libran friend says sacral chakra. Beautiful. See, what happens is some of you could be highly sensitive to chemicals or, you know, some sort of processed foods, or you may be having allergies. So work on your sacral chakra. Work on your sacral chakra. Okay, respect your sensitive side, right? Avoid items and avoid people and situations in general that does not serve you, even situations and relationships. So work on your sacral chakra. All right, the chakra right above the root chakra, which is the second chakra. It's like right where your belly button is. Breathe into that. Work on your sacral chakra. Perfect. And let's see who are our spirit guides here to help you. Who are our spirit guides and what is the message for our Libran friends for their birthday? Oh, we have Lord Shiva. Beautiful. I love him. So open up your third eye. Get into the intuitive mode. You are transcending. You're transcending from mucky waters, from toxicity, from bondages to a beautiful place, to wish fulfillment, to new love. I mean, look at these. Okay. All 1, 2 major arcanas. Okay. Just look at this. It's beautiful. You're moving away to a better life and a better world, and Lord Shiva is here to help you. He is asking you to honor your inner force, to be in that balance, because steps are being given to you. There is a manifestation that's happening on the surface level, below the surface level. Now start bringing it on the surface level. Believe in yourself. Dance with the universe. Dance with the universe. You know, the universe is here for you. Open up your third eye. Do some sort of meditation. Your wishes are being fulfilled. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So please do ask a yes or no question. The answer would either be a yes or no, or you will receive a significant message from our angel. So whatever is the question for my Libran friends, the answer would either be a yes or no, or you'll receive a significant message. So the message is in the near future. Whatever you're hoping for, it is coming in the nearest future. So keep your hopes high, your head high, and your wish fulfillment is coming through for you. Okay, and before I go, I'm just going to quickly pick a fortune cookie message for you as well. This is a birthday gift from me to you. So let's see what's happening here. It says jealousy. Let me read that for you. Who is jealous about you? So watch out. Watch out with who you trust with your information, because there are some people who could be jealous because you are not getting there where they are, right? They are still here, but you have moved away from toxicity to a wish fulfillment. Okay, so be careful with whom you trust with your personal secrets and plans. And also please try and spend some time in outdoors and reconnect with nature. This is the message, overall message that I have for you, my Libran friends. I wish you all the best. If you've enjoyed this reading, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Check all the links below that will help you reach out to me for a personal reading. I love you very much and have a great one. Goodbye.